How's it going, guys, and welcome to today's video. It has been a little bit of a stretch since I last uploaded anything. With the changes from moving from Ireland to Australia, it's kind of been unavoidable until I had more things put in place. But I can say that my uploads will become more frequent again. Not as frequent as what they were when I was at home, but we will get back to that stage again. So this video, before I upload any automotive videos again, is just giving you an outline or some details of what I have been doing and what is coming up on the channel in the near future. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to address is how the move has been so far and how everything has gone. It has been very difficult to move away from my family, but it's also been very good. The move has been quite smooth. Work has gone extremely well. I've integrated into the team, and I like my employers. I like everyone who I'm working with, and things are going really well. The days go fast. It's an extremely busy workshop, and I am happy with everything work-based pretty much. I am working 6 days a week, and I have been doing that since I came over here. So my upload time and my frequency is also going to be different than what it was. With regards to my videos and moving forward, I needed to get a place where I actually have a garage myself, some type of space that I can work in out of workshop hours. I'm in a managerial role at work. It would be next to impossible to shoot anything. I would also have to get all clearances above me for that, so I'm going to have to change up my style a little bit with my video editing and basically come to terms with not having my own workshop with a free rein to film whenever I want, however I want, because that's where I was at previously. Now, there was some downsides to being at home filming as well. You had an open door policy where there'd be people coming in on the workshop all the time. I would lose footage all the time. It could be extremely frustrating that way. A lot of times I didn't plan how the videos were going to go. I would just go, I would film, and if it worked out, it worked out. If it didn't, it didn't. And now I'll have to do more planning ahead, more structure to know what I'm going to be shooting and pretty much set in time for that. The main things I've been up to since I last uploaded a video is basically the move. So trying to find a place to live, trying to find a place that's suitable, safe, really nice environment for my family, so for my wife and kids. Finding a place that has a garage so I'm able to do some work on my own cars and be able to film when I want. That was a key. And also the market over here is very different. The speed of rental and the speed of applications is a lot slower than what I was used to previously, so it takes time. I did have to change up everything in regards to what I was looking for. I was looking for a furnished place excuse me, I was looking for a furnished place when I first came over, but I had to change my mindset on that because the limitations of it was quite noticeable. So all our furniture is at home. It's in our own house at home, but we are going renting that out, and we're going renting it as furnished, so we won't be shipping all of our furniture over. So the very first thing I had to do is, when I got this place, is start to furnish it. Table, chairs, bed, bedside lockers, sofa, and different bits and bobs. I have a sofa, another sofa that's coming today, and then have the house set up with all your utensils that you're going to need to live in it. That took a large amount of my time. I'm working 6 days a week. I'm working full days. That means Sundays, and there's late night shopping over here on Thursday, is pretty much the only times I had for doing it. I finish work late on Saturday as well. It's not a short day, so that means Saturday I didn't have any time to do any of this either. It was pretty much evenings and Sunday. That's all I had available, so that meant my YouTube channel did have to sacrifice on the content while I was getting all of these things in place. Still have quite a few more bits to go, but we are getting there. We have the place, we have most of the primary stuff that you'd need in a house. I am very happy with the move. I'm delighted with the move. It was extremely difficult to do. The first couple of weeks being over here were tough, as they would be, but I always want to live with experiences and not regret, and I knew when this opportunity came up I would certainly regret it if I didn't take it. So being over here, living in it, and experiencing it all has been fantastic. I'm very, very happy that I chose to move over to Oz and to live this life again. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for the support. I have read all the emails, I've got all the direct messages. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it, and it does mean a lot to have people from all around the world reaching out and thanking me for the videos that I've put up, whether they've been useful for you or you've just enjoyed them. And yeah, I will be posting up more and more in the near future. I do have videos that I have planned in my head, and I'll start to lay them down, and I will find a balance to make it work over here so that my YouTube channel does not suffer and we keep this upward curve on this platform. I'm coming up on 20,000 subs now, and it is going extremely well, and I'm extremely grateful for that. But that has only been because of my consistency, and I do know that, so I must remain consistent, and I will remain consistent. So within, I would say, the next 6 weeks, I will start to have a balance, and I will start to find a groove that will allow me to shoot videos, edit videos, and get them up for you again. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber, please give this video a thumbs up. It's much appreciated, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.